unit. Noise is coming from the speaker. Distortion noise. We have put ground loop onto main power wire. Ground loop box to eliminate noise. However, full noise is still not going off. Mute on, still distortion noise from speakers. Unit off. Original cable, power harness connected to the radio. This is the power harness. We have taken main power wire and connected ground loop. This is ground loop. Isolator to reduce noise, but this does not reduce full noise. Power audio output not used. Noise has come on radio. Radio noise. Key inside ignition. If we remove key, noise stops. Unit now powering off. Again, unit back on. Video signal okay. After short while you will get caution symbol. Starting car. Now car in start. Reverse. No video signal. Caution symbol.
London, $3 vodkas.
Or a big Carl combo from your local Carl's Jr. today.
We're accident and breakdown free around the roads of Adelaide at the moment, but some works to look out for. Missing Kilburn at the Regency Road Church.
Caution symbol. No video.
Plus hospital and extras cover. Terms and conditions apply. Find out more at hcf.com.au.
More of rock's greatest hits in 90 seconds.